Hello, hello. Mic testing 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello. Let me know if you can hear me. On my side, it's working now, but yep, I'm waiting for you guys. Then I'll start. Just give me a yes if you can hear me. Sunday, Funday, yep. We can hear you now. Perfect, perfect. So, yep, welcome to the stream. We are streaming after like a week, maybe. Last stream was on Friday, previous Friday. And yep. Hi, Cryptex. Hi, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Can you guys, hello. Hello, hello. Okay, okay, perfect. Let's print some money today. I don't think we will trade, but I will give you a like market update, and we'll look for charts. Maybe we trade, maybe we don't. Sunday, Funday, yep. It's an enjoy day. Sunday is week on weekend, so yep. We're here now. Perfect, all good. Sound is good. Okay, so let's start. Maybe we'll start the live stream here. And where is my? Let me open this up. Okay, so we are in Netflix right now. We are like we have shorted it around 107 and 106. What is my average entry? Wait a minute, let me check my average entry. Okay, so my average entry is 105.03, somewhere around here. Okay, so somewhere around here, and if I calculate, it's around 9% down. TP1 has been done, and I have placed a SL at 105.03. That is my entry. Currently printing 77% on the like leverage side, so yep, that's good. And if you like notice, like if you see, this is the biggest drop, like 10% drop is the biggest drop after April 2022. This was the previous drop, like the biggest. You can see up 24% drop. After that, this is now the second biggest drop. Like you already, like if you don't calculate that after like this time frame, our so this is something like from start from April 2022 goes to like somewhere around April 2026. So it's around 1400 or 1500 days, and we have actually like caught the biggest drop of like previous 1500 days. So yep, we are good in this one. And after that, we have fat. I have not moved my SL to like lower. My SL is still around this area. That is the original SL, and I will still stay in, like I will still stay in this one. And we are down. Let me see how much percentage. In morning I was like, I saw 470%. And yep, right now we are down 416%, so that's a good one. And we have our TP1 at this point, so I'm not disturbing it one. We have already printed some at around 400% somewhere around here. And yep, that's the position on this one fact. And we don't have, we all placed some limits on Ethereum, but we missed, you can see we missed. And the gap was around somewhere around like $4, or like no, not $4, somewhere around $10. And that is 0.37%. And after that we got TP2, so we got, this is now invalid. Like let me just remove this one from the chart. This is now invalid. After that we have BTC swing short, and I am 2% in profit. Like from my entry, I am around 2% profit from. I am in from 77 $300 somewhere around here, and you can see around 2% in profits. I will enter. I have placed some scale order above there. Like I will enter 78K, 79K, 80K, somewhere something like this. And yep, that's my like overall mindset. And my TP1 would be, once we break this trend line, like we have this trend line here, once we break this one, I will trim some, like let's say $73,000, then $17,000, then somewhere around $65,000, and then lastly $62,000. This is my like swing shot. I will not like move it, or like I will not trim it until unless we have a big TP on this one. After that we have BTC long, and we got a slow weekend. Our entry is now, let me just have a look at the entry. Our entry is now $75,400, just because our both entries are failed. $75,400, and we are up around somewhere around 0.61%. And on my side it's showing me 33% with 50s leverage. And yep, actually, Sunday is a rest day for me. Yep, Sunday is also a rest day for me, but I like rest on Saturday also. That's why I didn't trade on Saturday. But Sunday is like a work day for me. something like that. Currently in so long from $86. We will see where should I open, where somewhere around here, sold, and from $86 you are in the trade. Okay, so your entry is somewhere around here. This should be a scalp, like based on your entry. This should be a scale, bro. $86 somewhere around this week. Okay, nice entry. And where do you place SL? Depends on TP. Let's say if you're targeting $90. Let's say I'm just asking. Let's say we target if you are targeting $90, then I would go for like 3 hour trade, and this like let me mark it up. These lows would be my SL. But let's say if you're scalping and you are targeting somewhere around there, then I would choose, like, let me add this one. I will choose somewhere around these lows, like these lows at SL. But depends on fib. Let me add a fib here. Just wait a minute. And I would say ideal TP would be like $88.57. I'm not sure if you're scalping or swing trading, but ideal TP would be this one. And below 0.5 would be SL, like somewhere around here. So if you are like having a scalp, then this would be a good setup in my opinion. But still you can like make some changes here. Maybe we have Monday pump closing short, maybe not a bad thing. Depends, bro. We can have a Monday pump, as I said, if even if we do like $85,000 and then we pump back before the 3 day close, I'm in the short. I'm not gonna like change my mindset here. I am targeting swing one, and if I show you something, let me just open some charts. If I have it, where do we have the charts? I have this one. So if you see, like we have a huge rally, we retest, or if you have a look at this, like from my mindset, like this, people start targeting this zone, like $80,000 is this zone here, and $100,000 was this zone here. People start targeting this above zone, and we don't go actually above that one, and we start dumping. And I have actually shared a chart somewhere. Let me just open my X account. Maybe I have shared a chart. Just let me see. Yep, there it is. So if you have a look at this, like from this perspective, you can see a top would be around $78,000. I don't say like $78,000 will be a top. Let's say it can roll like to $80,000 or like more, but still this is the general idea. Yeah? Like you can see we have a parabola, then we have the three touching the trend line above that market price, something like this, and then we have a sweep, and then we roll like this. So I'm expecting like we go towards the lower side, but still when we start dumping, no one knows. So that's why I am using soft SL. Hey Cryptex bro, welcome to the stream, bro. Can you analyze ZDC? Yep, I will analyze ZDC. Why not? We have Soul analyzed here, then we have ZDC request. Also, when you like say analyze ZDC, road, or like whatever your tickers are, also let me know what are your mindset. Like you are going for scalp, you are going for swing, or whatever your time mindset is. So right now we are just getting injected. This is like a downtrend, and yeah, nothing bigger on this one. I would not add TPO. I would add something where it is like the fish range. Okay, so the POC is about at this point. Retail is lost here. Retail is not trading this one. So yep. And we have gold request. Where's gold? This one. Gold is slow right now. You have to admit it. And yep. So this is golden pocket. We can actually get here. Like maybe let's see something like this, or we can even go higher, but still, this is something like my mindset. Something like this, or fill this week. The same happened around here. Let me add fib here also. Here we feel like 0.8 on this, like where 0.8, or we feel this gap here. Like let's say we start pumping. We didn't draw rejected at 0.6, that is golden pocket, but we dumped rejected from 0.886, and then we filled the wick. This is the wick, and we got the wick filled. Something I'm expecting we fill the wick here. That's the stuff on here. SPX is like printing the hard time high, and we are forming RSA divergence too. So I'm not like interested in shorting this one or not longing. I am just watching this one. BTC is actually like not moving forward right now. With our chart, this one, you can see we are getting bigger red candles, small green candle. Like the green candles are small, and red candles are big. So Sunday is sort of a bearish. Analyze dog. Okay, I will analyze. Let me see something on my side. After gold, maybe we'll have analyze that silver. Hmm. This is general like trade idea for me, but I will add it here. Silver, yeah, I will look at silver, bro. I'm looking at silver actually. My idea is like something we are painting a base divergence here. So I will be looking for short next week once we break like this zone. We break this zone. I will be looking for short here, SL above these highs, and targeting around this level, like this area. This is my idea. This is my idea number one. Like, let me add it. Idea number 01. This is idea number one, and this is idea number two. Like, let's say if we see a good rally in silver, or like in general in metals, we see a 10 to 15% rally. I will be shorting from $95. Try to short, like we have a golden pocket here, and yep, that's the stuff here. And my target would be like this low from December 2025 at $56 would be my target. And this one I will be targeting March 2026 low from 22 March. We have $63. I am still holding short, long term short from $77,200. I will definitely leave and increase with, and I think it's a setup. I'll definitely leave and increase with, yeah, it's a setup, but still, you have to confirm like if you have this chart, like these mark dates, like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, are like 17th April, and like not the 17th April, but 17th of every month. Like let me add it here also, like the 17th here, and there, and 17th around here. So you can see once we are pumping before the like 17th, we start reversing. We dumping, we start reversing. We dumping, sometimes we are dumping, we go fast. Like we are sideways, so we go sideways. We're pumping, we go dump. So 17th is like the pivot point of the month. We're sideways, we move sideways. We're pumping, we start dumping. We're pumping. Either we can like go fast toward the pumping. That is not like the possibility on my side. But I am expecting either we move sideways or move to a downside. If we move to a downside, then we have this deep, like these target at least. Like this is the first one, this is the second one, and maybe last one would be like this. If we move toward the lower side, so if we have this target, then this is like $70,000 or like $70,600, and this is $65,000, and this is around $60,000, somewhere around $60,000. So that's like you can see. And if we move sideways or the upper side, then we have a big target of like this one, $85,000. So that's the stuff here. So I am like positioned over like this time frame, this one, loud to a downside. I can be wrong. I can get a SL hit. Like if you see over here, if we get a SL hit, like for real, my entry would be around $79,000, somewhere around here. The average. I'm talking about the average. So I will get a 2 to 5% SL, like just because it's the soft SL. So 2 to 5% SL on my swing account would be okay. Like not a like it's not a bigger SL. It will be okay. Dear capital will be buying spot or future at the bottom in the bear market. What percentage of your capital will be lost? I will be buying spot, and my spot is like I have already told you guys somewhere around in the group and somewhere around here. If I have like $100 in my crypto, then I have like $90 in spot, $10 in my future account, and from $90 I have like let's say $50 in my Bitcoin, $30 in my USDT or like USDC, the stables like to buy lower, and $10 in like cash in bank. So I counted spot. So these are like the spot one, and in $10 future I have like let's say I'm talking about like $100. I'm not saying like the actual money. Like $2 it would be like in trade. So every trade I do with $2, and I will have like $6 in. If you actually go to Bybit, you have on like the stuff here. I'm not sure what that is, but it is something like you can hold Bitcoin, and that will like uh what it called. Let me open the Bybit. On Bybit, yep. So it's collateral. You can use it Bybit Bitcoin as collateral, so you get like lower liquidation in cross margin. So $2 in trade and $6 in like Bitcoin, and rest $2 for next trade. That's my stuff. That's how I like used to trade. So this 50 per like $50 are like long term. This $30 is what I use to like buy every 2 months or 3 months, and I use it. And like I have shown a recent assets of like this one. Let me open, copy and paste it here. This one, you can see I used the $30, some part of the $30 to buy in February, and in like April I sold for 25% profit. And yep, that's how we do. And these $10 are for emergency, like let's say on the chart, let me open the chart, like this where's the 10th October. Yep, this one. So once we see something like this, I use the 10% and enter at somewhere around here or somewhere around here, and quick 5 to 10%, and then I withdraw it from crypto and again move to bank. So that's how you do it. So that's my like stuff here. And let's say I'm at the end of month, these $10 converts into like $15. Then I move this $5 to a spot, and these goes into this and this. That's how I draw my money. And then this money, like the spot one, is used to spend in real life, or I use like I just send this money to like crypto cards or like wherever I want to use. That's my like stuff here. Can we have some tea on US 30? US 30. Let me open it. Where it is? I would open it here. Nope, not here. Here. Mm. This was harmonic. Like we are printing a harmonic here. If you have some knowledge on harmonics, then we are printing harmonics here. What's 0.886? Yup. So harmonics and over here, somewhere around here. And I'm not saying like you should sort here, but we have a resistance here. And if we let's say if we claim this one, then we start moving toward the upper side. Otherwise, if you are like long from here, then you should take profit somewhere around these levels. You are good, like almost good level. Like this is a level. That's the stuff here. Let me see if I can find any sculpted for live stream. Actually, we got like good results this week. Let me open that one. I will not show like the whole sheet, But yeah, I don't think I need to blur it, but there it is. The sheet from my side. We got Bitcoin. Let me just move it a little bit up. So yep, we got the Bitcoin long 50x. We got 4.69 RR, 363%, and we got a win. Then we got Euro USD. We got 2.7 RR, 40% on this one. We made 40%, and then we have win. Then we have win loss win. So we have a six win, like 1 2 3 4 5, and we have the Bitcoin short sixth win in going on. And if you look at like the loss is like 0.05. This is on BTC, and we actually took it with 5x. I actually had this one was hedge trade, this one, and rest are like good. We have good BTC long enter again from this week. Yep, we have, I am in, right. We retested this area. You can see we actually retested this, the entry. So I am not selling. I am at least waiting for like somewhere around here. At least 76.4 case. At least 75, 30, 350. For what, bro? Okay, for this retest. Okay. Well, you tell us when you are going to buy Bitcoin at the bottom. I will, bro. I will. Actually, you will be surprised. I already told you guys like what's the bottom. Let me open that one if I can find that post. Let me wait. Let me find it for you. Like have a look at this. This is from 7th 18th 2025. Like 7th 18th 2025. Let me, I will show you where we were sitting at 7th 18th 2025. It is like July. I will show it first on the Bitcoin chart, like where were we sitting. Then I will like 2025 July 18th. So we were sitting around this level, like around this level, like this. So you can see we were sitting at this level. I posted this tweet over here. Like most of crypto asset trader don't know market top. So that's the reality. No one knows that like the top. But I know the bottom of year to date from now on. It will be 27 to like 42K. You can believe it? Like I posted it on July 2025. In July 18, 2025, I posted that 27K to 42K will be at the bottom, and you can see on X, like everyone is talking about this level. Yes, by July 2026, we should have witnessed those level. Like around 12 July, we will have this one. So yep, that's the level here. I have actually mentioned this level, and yep, that's the stuff. I actually predicted build before like this, before the top. So yeah, that's the level here. I am waiting for that level, and that is why I am bullish at this level also. And if you actually wanna see, I predicted the top also. Like you can see, go to like my X account. This is my X account. If you like, you have follow rise, and if you have a look at this, I predicted the bottom zone. This is the bottom zone. Like I said, this is the bottom zone for the previous cycle, and the top area would be like around 105 to 186. This is a bigger, but still, I predicted using the fib, and at that time we were sitting at $96,000 somewhere around February July 2025, February 7th 2025. So yeah, I am predicting these one. So yeah, that's the stuff here. And in this one, I have also shared something about alts, like we dot meme hype, US Bitcoin started up, nothing with ETH. Like in this cycle, we didn't dot like ETH stuff or favorite all stuff. So that's why I said, like, I said something around here. Like, let me open it up where it was. Um, It was somewhere around here. I am not sure, but I can give you a link. I said like why is Bitcoin, aka Bitcoin, slow now, and altcoin have almost gone zero. So this is around like February 2025. So yeah. When can we sell altcoins if holding Ethereum, XRP, and Doge? Depends on you, brother. If you are in profits, and if you're in huge profits, then you can like take your like profits, like from if you actually bought $1,900, you are up around $20 at this point, or $25 or 26% at like the top. So if that's enough for you, you can actually book profits. 25% on Bitcoin was enough for me, so that's why I sold Bitcoin, and I will buy in around $60,000 again for like something like this, like we wrote $67, so do something like this, and then we wrote something like this. So this really I will be catching this one on spot. Like when I say, because consider everything that you have to, bro. Like people are buying altcoin right now, but I'm not. I am switched to altcoin after this, like somewhere around 18 November, or like somewhere around that. I am just trading Bitcoin, or if even if I like, even if I am trading like Bitcoin altcoins, I am trading in futures. I'm not holding that one in spot. And I was looking for the setup, live trade setup. Let me just check if anyone formed that one. Solana, maybe we do in Solana. I will open it up again. Where's Solana? I'll scalp it up. Like we got a wick here, 85.50. Okay, and let me add explain volume profile from somewhere around the weekend, over the weekend. And over the weekend we got huge volume at this, like there. After that we don't have any volume. So for Sunday we have volume around here. So the volume is like at the lows. So I'll be targeting entry at this point, targeting Friday high. Friday high would be like this, not Friday high. Maybe target Saturday high. Just because I don't want to hold like for a long time frame. This would be a trade. Again, I am telling, if you want to trade this one, then go on your own risk. This is risky right now. I am doing it this entry one at CMP, entry two at around this level, 85.40 entry two, entry one CMP. You can actually enter. Let me enter on my side. Hyperliquid. I'm entering on hyperliquid. So my leverage is like low, not that big. Solana, yep, future one. So my leverage is around 20x. Market buy. Yep, that's big. 1% entry and limit at 85.40. I will not share in the group just because I am scalping and this is live stream only setup. Or if you guys need like, if you guys need this one, I will like, I will add this one here. Not this one. Just the entry, take profit, and this one. Yep. So our entry is 86.15 first entry, again at 85.40, and then I will be taking profits around this. This will be like TP1 87.20. Then our second profit will be around this 87 point somewhere around 70. Last TP at 89.50. Stop loss will be around, what's the stop loss? Stop loss around 84.96. So that's the setup here. You can actually take a screenshot of this one. Will you let us know when you're buying spot for mid term? I will know. I will let you know. Don't worry. Mhm. So that's my setup here. And yep, this is a scalp trade. Also, I am interested in Nokia, the Nokia mobile competition. And why I am interested? I am getting some insider stuff that they are pivoting to AI, like the AI stuff. And I am expecting, like, if they pivot to AI, then this will do something like this, like at least for $15. And $15 is like around 58% from here. So I'm not actually buying it right now, but yep, this I am considering this one. And I will not share it in the like group or somewhere around there, but this is the live stream only setup, you can say. So this is stock, NOK, Nokia Corporation sponsored, and yep, that's one. This one. I got some stuff like the insider stuff that they are pivoting to AI. And yep, maybe hype scrap that one have interesting chart. Yep, that one have interesting chart. Why that one have interesting chart is just because of let's see the one. Just because they have the US stock hyper, the per coin PURR in the US stock market. So we will have hype here. Like, let me show you what the stock. Like this stock hyper liquid strategies, they have the stock in Nasdaq. So that's why this coin don't give like unnecessary wick. This was the last setup. We entered at this value with .tp1 and then we got closed. So this setup is now not valid. Actually, on the 15-minute time frame, you got a nice setup, but if you are like a breakout trader, you want to actually trade this one. But I am actually in Solana right now, so I am not gonna risk more as it's weekend. But let me add a volume profile here. So yeah, we are setting a POC. You can actually risk it, like if you want to, from here to like TP around TP1 here and TP2 here. Like these are the values. SL would be around this. If you want to go tighter with tight SL, if not, then use this one. So yep, that's the stuff here. I am in little loss in altcoins. Isn't it better to sell now with little loss and buy again when BTC is at bottom around 50k? If you are sure that BTC will bottom around 50k, then you can do. But if you are not sure, then if you sell here, let's say if you sell this fat coin, let's say if you sell fat coin here around here, and in the next coming 2 months, like it goes like this. Although BTC goes like this, like BTC goes down and Fed goes to like 0.40, you will lose like the 50% or 100% gain move. So just because you bought it above at, let's say, at this point, and you are selling at this point is not a best price. You can either do DCA or either like move from altcoins to like Bitcoin only. So hype is not like looking good for me. Where do you post the 27 to 42 way value? Actually, I posted in my Discord. And yep, that's the level where I posted it. I got my own Discord actually, and that's where I posted it. And yep, Lana is also like another Tau. I will, if this 15-minute candles closes or this, then we are going to like short. Otherwise, no. So I'm waiting for watching for this one, and maybe this is like the last 15 minutes of the stream. This candle. Tau. Where should I open Tau? Yeah. Tau. Again, you haven't said anything like the scalp or like the swing, but still, Tau is a good coin. They lost this rally just because they have some insider stuff went wrong, and this is a zone you can look for like something like something like this. Doctor, what do you think about meta signals? Meta signals, like from Meta company or like it's just something known as group meta signal. I'm not sure. Let me check on Google what's meta signal. Meta signals. Okay, so it's a Telegram group. Okay, I'm not sure, bro. I haven't checked that one. Just because I trade on my own, I don't follow signals. Like I actually give trades, but I don't follow signals, so I'm not sure what that is or how they work. Ron and Crypto will be promoting this. Oh, okay. You can do your due diligence, but I'm not sure about this. I can't actually say something. Okay, so this one that rejected actually. This one is holding, and this is a level like where the price not. This is a level uh, which we are watching. If let's say this don't drop up, then better to close this one, or like you can actually gamble on Sunday. I'm on this one, so I will gamble a little bit. Looks like we're not going up, but still wait. Clear the countdown. We have 12 minutes for closing, so we should wait for it. Do we have analysis of on Sophie since there is so much hype about this stock? Sophie, this Sophie Technologies. Okay, so like on this one, like the monthly time frame, we are. I'm not sure what the company doing. Let me see what Sophie does. Sophie's okay, so it's a banking side. Okay, operates as personal finance company as well as fintech company. Three division lending technology platform financial service. Okay, so it's a banking sector, financial sector actually, and the like the boron is something right. Okay, so we got this data of this. So this is positive, and let me see something here. Like from where we got rejection. So we got rejection from 0.886 maybe. Yep. So that's a good one. So this stock is actually like following technicals. So I would say if you are in or like if you're planning to go in, then you can go in at these areas, like these areas with stop loss below this one. And yep, that's the stuff here. Probably some AI and SC tool provide that signal. Okay, so it's AI everywhere, but still, we got 106 views. Nice. And do we have something on the other side here? When can we expect bluffing to operate? You can expect it around like May. Around May, just because I my fat trade is active on bluffing. My BTC spot set trade is active on bluffing, and those are swing trades. So I am waiting for that one to close. Then I will move my like funds onto bluffing, like a bigger fund, and then I will add like maybe $100 or $200 for copy trade. Did I understand correctly that you expect BTC bottom to be in July, not in October? The dates are like for like example, like you can like imagine I called that July 2026 in July 2025 when we haven't got the all-time high of $126,000. So the dates can be like plus minus 2 months. So even if in July, you can see from July you can go to like September also, and around September we have October, but still that's the stuff here. So plus minus like you can say we can dump aggressive and we don't dump in May, but if not, then we can do it like from July to we can go to September. We are waiting for account to be clean. Yep, I am waiting for the account to be clean, as I cannot close the short here. Fact is around 430% profit. I cannot reopen it on any other account, so that's why I am waiting for it to open. As you guys want bluff and top trade, I was willing to do Bybit one, but it's up to you guys. So yep. Thank you. No worries, bro. No worries. So hype is not like going good. Solana is holding, but we got 7 minutes. What's the TP? 87.20. So 87.20 is around somewhere around here. Okay, it's nice TP here, but still we have to wait for it. Anyone shorted rave like from the top from you guys? I didn't like touch that one just because you can see the rave. It got like crazy upside and downside. That's why I didn't like touch this one. But still, actually, it jumped from like $20 to like $10, and then it pumped to like $28. Massive pump, like this only, like from this to this is around 162%. You can actually buy $1,000 here, cash out $1,600, and that's a pretty big money on spot, and then boom. But still, why I didn't short it is because if you short, let's say here, or if I short, let's say here, you can see the downside is 89%. And if you like, let's say if you long here, and if you close at this point, so this is bigger than this. And on short side, you have to be precise, like you have to short around here, around here, around here, and yeah. So maximum downside is like 99%, and after that you have the funding rates cutting, you have you have everything. So that's why I skip that short everything just because of 90% profits. That's not suitable for me. So yeah, I skipped it. Arrow, arrow, arrow finance. Yep, I remember this one. It's on Binance maybe also. Yep. Not maybe. It's not on minus. Okay. It's around $39. Same like the Fed stuff. We have pumped to like the resistance. Now we are getting rejected, and the downside is like around 20%. So, yep, that's a decent one on altcoins. And yep, yep. So, this is like not suitable for trading right now. We have Ondo here. Ondo is something like I have some charts here. Okay. Ondo is sideways. I don't know why, but Ondo is moving in this range. And if you have a look at this, this is like 20% range. Which Ondo is ranging. And if you like check this, before Ondo starts moving towards any side, Ondo start ranges. Like you can see like a dump, then a range, then a dump, then a range, and yep, that's what happening. Now I'm not saying like it will dump, but it's ranging around this area, like the opening or around the listing time. So yep, these altcoins are not like the best ones. Hype is you can say like the okay to trade. You can see like on daily time frame, it's going up, it's going down. But these coins up down on like same time frame, same place, not the best one. We revisited the entry. Okay. Okay, I will hold this one. I am not closing this one. This is my trade. I have placed on Hyperliquid. If you want to join Hyperliquid, you can join. But I'm not going to give a link or left a link. And yep, that's it. That's the stuff. That's our live stream from today. Maybe I'll end the live stream here if you don't have any questions. If you have any question, you can ask. I will share it within 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, we will have this closing here, and maybe in 3 minutes, I will close my live stream. I will end my live stream. Mhm. We have Iran US stocks. Okay. So maybe we don't have any questions here. Are you in Seoul now? Yep, I am in Seoul. Arrow, please. I have shared arrow, bro. I have shared arrow. Like go a little bit back on the live stream. I have shared arrow. I have shared. This was analysis for arrow. I said like it's not the best one, but if it holds this line like this zone, just because this was like previous closes, then you can actually like go for long. And if you get a rejection over here, then you should like go for this one. That's the stuff. Any YouTube series you recommend for learning, bro? You are from which country? Let me know what language you speak. If you speak Hindi, I'll share like Hindi, English, whatever. From your language, from your name, I expect you are from South Asia. What do you think about AI earnings session coming up? It's going to be positive or negative. AI earnings season coming up. Depends, bro. AI is all at sort of bubble right now, and everyone's going for AI, 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 AI. So it will be like positive for us time, but after that it will be negative, like the dot com bubble. Will the market dump tomorrow given cost of not improvement? I can't say. I can understand Hindi. Okay. DM me and I will share your link. Where do you live, Cryptex? I live in South Asia. South Asia, where we can speak Hindi. Not from India, but yeah, we can speak Hindi. So yeah, 15-minute and closed. We are still above here. Makes sense. Thank you for time, brother. We have closed above 0.5. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I'm in Indonesia now. Ah, perfect. What's the Indonesian stuff? Popular words in Indonesia. Uh, also, mostly Indonesians are Muslims. Okay. Ah, okay. I have to learn about Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, these region. But yeah, so I'm ending the stream here. Thanks for joining. I am still in this trade. It is returned. Yep, you can enter, bro. You can enter below 86.37, and these are the entries. Let me just copy it and paste it in the group. Not the group. Sorry, not the group. I'll paste it in the live stream comments, like here. I paste it in the comments, like the chat section, and you can take a screenshot, and I will like remove my stream in 3, 2, 1, and thanks for watching.